Hi, my name is David Ferguson, and I'm with the Sales and Market Development team over at Commtrex. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a general overview of the Transload Marketplace homepage. So the first thing you'll notice on the Transload homepage here is that there's a Find and Compare Rates box at the top of the page that will allow you to submit a public Transload request. And all you need to do to initiate that is answer that first question there and hit the Start button. And there'll be a series of questions that help guide you to do that. And a little bit lower down, you'll notice there's some Class 1 railroad partners that we work with here over at Commtrex. And beneath that, there's a video that provides some info on the Transload marketplace and also submitting Transload requests. Then lower down, here's some additional info about the Transload marketplace and the benefits of using it to help find transloaders and meet your company's transloading needs. Down here beneath that, there's a list of frequently asked questions, both in general to transloading and also the Transload marketplace, that will help guide you. And then down lower, you'll notice that there are a list of cities here, large US cities, where you can look at transload locations based on their proximity to those cities. Then beneath that, we have our state pages where you can look at transload facilities by state in the US. And then lower down, there's a similar thing where you can look at location in Canadian provinces by clicking on these various pages here. Let's say, for example, that we did want to submit a transload request for a city in specific, say San Francisco. You'll notice that there is a San Francisco city page right here. So if we click on that, it will pull up a list of transload facilities that are nearby San Francisco. And you'll notice with each of these facilities, there's 4 pieces of info here. We have our proximity to the city, the commodities that are able to be transloaded out of the facility, the Class 1 connecting railroad, and then also if the facility is equipped or not for hazmat. So let's say we do want to go ahead and submit a request. It looks like this MHX facility here is the nearest to San Francisco on the list. So all we need to do to submit a transload request to that facility and other facilities nearby that would meet our criteria is to click the Compare Rates button. Then after you do that, it's going to take you to a page that starts you off the question here, and there'll be some follow-up questions as well to get some info on your transload request. And then once you submit this transload request, it'll go to that facility and other nearby facilities that also meet the criteria you put in here. And that's all there is that's required to submit a transload request using a city page.